Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in to this afternoon or maybe this evening's video. We're going to have a look at the May Day Bank Holiday weekend today or this afternoon. It's now within the GFS time period, the 384-hour limit of the GFS model. So we're going to have a look at the Bank Holiday weekend very quickly and see what the model is predicting for the Bank Holiday weekend. Now, of course, it's a very, very long way out. We can't take this at all seriously in terms of the weather that it's predicting. We're just using this for trends, really. I'll be doing this periodically over the next few days, just seeing if the model gets the trend as we move through the coming week. See whether the same scenario keeps cropping up quite regularly. That's as much as we can do, really, at this far out to sort of 2.5 weeks away. You can't do much more than try and pick up on the trends. And then once we get within a week to maybe 10 days, then we'll be able to start looking at the actual weather, what the actual weather may be doing. But this far out, we can't really use the model for too much detail. So let's have a look at the chart for Saturday. This is the chart for Saturday the 4th of May. I should just say, by the way, that GavsWebBiz.com is sponsored by the advertising. There's ads on all my pages at GavsWebBiz.com. Click on those ads, go through to the advertiser. You'll be supporting GavsWebBiz.com by doing that. Of course, you've got to be interested in the ad. Don't just click on it. If you're not interested, you have got to be interested in what the advertiser is offering. But please do that. Be supporting GavsWebBiz.com. Thank you very much for doing it. So this is the chart for Saturday the 4th of May. It's 2 weeks today. We've got high pressure up over Scandinavia, high pressure tries to resume from the Azores. It doesn't look too bad, but actually what you can't see in this is we've got a trough of low pressure sitting over the country. So if I have a look at precipitation, actually it's very, very wet. There's heavy rain going on there. It's cold as well, with temperatures barely into the mid-teens. So cold, wet and dull and really quite miserable for Saturday is what model is predicting today. For Sunday the 5th of May, the high pressure is still over Scandinavia. Heights are beginning to pull up to the northeast. We're in this easterly flow though. This is more of a showery sort of situation. It's not as wet as Saturday, but still very showery across the country. Heavy showers there, probably with hail and thunder, and temperatures, well, still on the cool side really for the start of May, though maybe lifting up a little bit more because there would be perhaps a bit of sunshine. Let's go through to Bank Holiday Monday. This is probably the best of it actually, the ridge of high pressure is then building more across the country, though even then eastern and southeastern areas would be at risk of some fairly significant showers, it has to be said. The best of the weather probably in the north, but overall that's really quite a disappointing Bank Holiday weekend being predicted there. Very showery, quite cool, the winds off the North Sea, so in the east in particular would be very miserable for those eastern holiday resorts, Yarmouth, places like that. Very miserable indeed. Skegness too, with wind off the North Sea, cold, wet and miserable for much of Bank Holiday weekend. But the good news is that this is 384 hours away. We can't take it seriously. It's just the first time I'm looking at this. I'll be doing it again tomorrow probably. We'll see whether the model has got the trend, whether the model continues with this trend through tomorrow and then on into next week. But certainly we're starting off at quite a low point. Maybe the only way is up from there. That's it for now. Thank you for watching.